Hey guys, welcome to the second video of your favorite playlist, Demo Lessons Performing. In this playlist, I'm going to perform some demo sessions for you with different kind of topics, grammar, speaking, and blah blah. In this video, we're going to teach prepositions of time and places. I'm going to show you the exact steps that I'm going through right on the video, and you can download the template of the lesson plan and also the exact lesson plan that I'm performing right now on my Telegram channel. Here you go. Okay guys, do you have a calendar? A calendar. What is a calendar? A calendar is something that shows time and dates. Exactly. Do you have a calendar in your backpack? No? Okay, it's fine. I'm going to show you a calendar. Here is a calendar. Can you tell me when is your birthday? When is your birthday? Do you know? At this point, you wait for students' response. If they say it wrong, you correct them. Now, can you guess when is my birthday? Can you guess? Okay, look here. My birthday is in, can you guess? October. My birthday is in October. When is your birthday? Okay, Sarah's birthday is on July 5th. Yeah, Sarah's birthday is on July 5th, exactly. And what about yours? As you see, you can ask them their birthdays and you can write them on the board, and you can use different kind of sentences to show different kind of prepositions that we use for times, like my birthday is in October, Sarah's birthday is on July 5th. Okay, and then you're going to ask about the places. Okay, I have another question. Where do you live? Where do you live? One by one. If you want to say something, you raise your hand. Yeah, if you want to say something, you raise your hand. Okay, now let me choose. Any volunteers? Okay. Come on. So then you wait for students' response and you write some of their answers on the board and you focus on prepositions. For example, I live on Main Street. I live on Main Street. What about you? She lives at 23 Avenue. At 23 Avenue, exactly. Read whatever that I circle, okay? In, on, at, at. What do we call them in English? We call these words prepositions. Prepositions, okay? Today we're going to learn about prepositions. So, open your books. You can find some parts that has a grammar chart in their book, so you can use those grammar charts to show when exactly do we use in, on, at, and whatever. And you can even use the board to show in, on, at, their usage and some examples, but make sure to show them. For example, if you're talking about time, so we're talking about time. Maybe you have a bigger board so you can write time at the top of your board and then teach in, on, at. Then for places, again, write places on the top of the board and in, on, at, and practice. Do we use in for exact time? In for exact time? No. Do we use on for specific times? Yes. Do we use on for specific days? Guess. Can I say, I live at London? No. What is the correct form? I live in London. So these 3 questions were CCQs that you need to ask between your demo sessions to make sure that the students got the concept checking questions. For this part, you can write the sentences on the board or you can print out some worksheets for them. But I'm just going to write on the board. For example, look at these sentences. I was born. I have a meeting. Then you're going to ask some CCQs or ICQs. For this part, it's better to use ICQs. Why? Because we're going to check that they got the instruction. Are we trying to find the right prepositions or are we going to write new sentences? We're going to find correct prepositions. So, I was born in 1998. I have a meeting on Monday. I have a meeting on Monday. Now let's make sure we pronounce them correctly, okay? Repeat after me. On Monday. On Monday. In July. In July. You're going to repeat some of them so you can make sure that they pronounce them correctly. We call this drilling. Now let's do an exercise in pairs, 2 by 2, okay? One of you say something, the other one, your partner, repeat after you. For example, you two, come on. Sarah, you say something, you repeat, okay? So you do the exact thing. Let's go. Are you going to write something or are you going to speak? You're going to speak. Exactly. Okay, now open your books. If they don't have a book, you can use some worksheets. Open your books. Exercise 2. So, there are some sentences that you need to fill the blanks, okay? Like this. I have a meeting on Monday. You have to fill the blanks with prepositions, right? Are you going to write the full sentence? No, you're going to write the preposition. So you have 2 minutes. Let's do it. Now I want you to write a short conversation. What is a conversation? Blah, 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 blah. This is a conversation, okay? For example, when is your birthday? My birthday is in October. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, so you have 2 minutes to write a conversation with your partner, okay? Then they're going to write a conversation. After 2 minutes, you ask them to read the conversations together. For example, A, Sarah, B, Nergis, and they're going to read the conversation for the whole class. At the end, for making sure that they got the instruction and the concept, you ask some questions. Easy questions like, when do we use in using for time? Okay, for example, you can write time. So we're going to talk about time. When do we use in? When do we use at? And ask them to say some questions. But it's really complicated to teach time and places at one session, but it was a demo session and I just wanted to show you the process. And I have good news for you. If you're looking for games or activities for your demo sessions or even in your classes, you can use my new playlist that I'm going to put so many games. Actually, there are so many games in this playlist already that you can use in your classes. Be sure to check it out. I'm going to put the link in the description. And thanks for watching till the end, and make sure to tell me your opinion about these videos. Thanks for watching again. Bye.